I have just received, last night I was receiving reports ng mga pinapunta namin. Sec Vince was also there, DSWD, there, we are all ready kung ano ngayon, kung anong pangangailangan nila. Right now, we have kailangan linisin ang mga kalsada dahil sa ashfall, at ang DOH nandun din at nagbigay sila ng mga mask para yun nga sa usok at saka sa mga fumes na lumalabas. Mukhang I spoke also to the governor, and sabi naman niya that lahat ng needs ng Albay so far ay meron tayong support ng binigay. So well, unfortunately we are used to Mayon, but never mind, we are able to minimize the effects of the ashfall that is going into certain populated areas. At yun ang inaalala natin. The first concern, of course, was the health concerns, and we were able to bring out the people who were in the danger area. We were able to support them with medical attention, and now we are working on opening all the thoroughfares para lahat ng mga kailangan pumasok ay makapasok, lahat ng kailangan lumabas ay makalabas. And I think we will be able to say that the thoroughfares will be open siguro by today. Yes. Wag lang magbuga ulit. Kung hindi na magbuga ulit, nabuksan na natin ang mga thoroughfare pasok labas doon sa area. Okay? Thank you.